Micro personal brands are changing the world. People like me and whole bunch of people who are just sitting on their couch, sitting on the in their room, who have less than 10,000 followers, are crushing the game. They don't have a lot of followers, but still they are making a lot of money. You might know some people who don't have a lot of followers, but they are making a lot of money. And I'm seeing that too. I have some names called Montel Gordon, Liam and Vince, Brandon Forbes, and a lot of persons who are making a lot of money. And they don't have a ton of followers, and they don't have a ton of engagement. Like their videos get views, hardly get views of around 1,000 or 2,000 views. And but the thing that I'm noticing is that those 1,000 2,000 views are not any random people. They are very targeted market, and they are their direct customers who will buy from them. And I forgot about this concept, forget about this what this main element of marketing, that you don't need a lot of followers to build something material, to build something solid. You don't need a lot of followers. Why I say that? Just imagine a case study, a hypothetical situation where you have a million followers, but these million followers are just random people. And another person who has 100 followers, but all these 100 followers are the CEOs of the world, of the best companies, companies in the world. They are the CEOs who will have the most potential of making money. Obviously the million one also have some potential, but my point is, even with 100 followers you can make a lot of things. It totally depends on the quality of followers. Sorry, I have to burp. It totally depends on the quality of followers who are seeing you. If your target customers are seeing you directly, you can influence that. And these micro personal brands are not using the YouTube or social media as the traditional way, like the generating traffic. They are using it. The people who are smart are using it as a funnel, as a way to build trust, as a way to tell their story. Gordons. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well. He's one of the best marketers, and I have read his book. This is Marketing by Gordons. And he said that it's not a, nowadays it's not about how you sell. It's not about what you sell or how better you sell. It's about the storytelling right now. Because whatever you are selling, some people is already selling the maybe better than you, right? But the thing is, the audience will buy from you if you have better story to tell, if you have better storytelling skills. And that's what I'm doing right now. I'm improving my storytelling. I am documenting myself so I can tell story, right? So this is how these micro personal brands are making a lot of money. And just, it's funny that I I I started researching on that topic. I didn't even know the micro personal brand, the terminology. But just recently, Iman Ghazi launched this program called Educate. No, monetize.com. Yeah, monetize. And in this, he talked about micro personal brand, how you can build a micro personal brand, and how anyone can make money using micro personal brand, right? And it just validates my concept that I was thinking lately, like 3 4 months. I've been constantly seeing these people. Montel Gordon, I'm seeing he don't have a lot of followers. Now he has 50,000 followers, but back then he has like 10. I know him since he has 5K or 10K followers or something on subscribers on YouTube. But still, he was making a lot of money. He was making like uh, hundreds of thousands of dollars per month. And how is he able to do that? He knows how to monetize his brand. You know, you have 1,000 followers, but the thing is, you don't know how to monetize your personal brand. And this is where these geniuses come. They they are serving their audience in some sort of way. Every business is based on the problem solving, what is problem solving basics, problem solving fundamentals. And some are selling digital products, some are selling courses, some are selling like uh, what services, and all of these are the different ways of solving the problem. But the basic fundamental is solving the problem. And what these people are doing right is that they are niche down. They have very niche down audience, and they are solving problem of their niche down audience. They're not selling any solving any random problems that they see online, and they are selling, they are solving very burning problems of these very niche down audience. For example, if I talk about me, I I'm running an agency. I want to help online coaches, specifically business coaches, who to get their content done. But I don't know how to run this agency, how to get the clients, how to get all this. And that's when Montel Gordon came into play. I don't know where I found his first video. I just found him on YouTube and started watching his content, and I realized that he was he was telling exactly about SMMA, how what I am doing. He was speaking my language, and he's specifically talking to me. Particular pain points, particular problems that I have personally. He's telling the solution of that. And I trust him more than a lot of people who have like millions of followers. Why? Because he's speaking to me. He's not solving any generalized problem. He's solving very specific problem of me, and if I'm able to pay him, I would have paid him. But whatever. What else I need to talk about? Micro personal brand. And uh, I have realized that this concept of micro personal brand also works in uh, coaching business that I am doing, because I realize that Montel Gordon is also doing coaching, right? Liam and Vince, Brandon Forbes, they all are doing online coaching, and they are doing the same thing as I'm saying, thinking of micro personal brands. So same can be replicated for the my target audience, which is business coaches, right? And they are the same. They are the business coaches. They are selling their programs through their content, which don't have a lot of followers but have a very broad sense of depth in it. People relate to him very much because of their authenticity, their genuinity. I'm sorry for my English. That's why I'm making this video, to improve my English. you know and hmm, yes, I need to talk about. So basically, how online coaching funnel that I am thinking of offering as a service works is that there are just three there are just three fundamentals of running an online coaching business. There are just three fundamentals of running an online coaching business. This is traffic, funnels, which is conversion, basically way to convert people from prospects to your actual paying customers, and another is uh, fulfillment. These three pillars, all your problems can be most of the problems of the online coaches can come in these three categories, which is traffic, uh, what funnels, and I should not call it funnel, I should call it conversion. Yeah. And another one is fulfillment. And what I am focusing on right now is traffic and funnel, because this is the most important, traffic and conversion, because I feel like this is the most crucial part that most people are not able to crack. How my system works, funnel system works, is that how my system that I am thinking of providing works is, for traffic, you can run Facebook ads, right? And there are only four ways you can generate traffic, which is cold outreach, warm outreach, paid ads, and organic content. Cold outreach is not an option because it is highly ineffective and very bad. I myself have been doing cold outreach for 1 year and still broke as hell. I didn't have any client, right? Warm outreach, the limitation is that you don't know a lot of people, and even if you do, there is a lot of scalability problems going on in this. Organic content is good, but it is very unpredictable. We will touch on that later. But organic content, the thing with the organic content is that uh, you can generate content, you can make videos, but it will get zero views. Most of the people who are making content have faced this problem, that they post their uh, videos consistently on YouTube or consistently on Instagram, LinkedIn, or whatever, but they don't get a lot of reach because the social media is too much cluttered and too saturated right now. That either you have to be a master of content creation, that most of us are not. So I count that out. We will talk about organic content, but this does not mean organic content is completely useless. It is a fantastic way that we will touch later. The remaining is paid ads. It is very predictable, it is very effective, and you know all the parameters of it. You put in some sort of some amount of money according to the industry, and the and respectively the traffic will come to your website or whatever you are driving to, right? So you can generate traffic through that. But most people would do wrong is they get the traffic, they pay the Facebook to get the traffic, and traffic comes to their website, but they don't know how to convert it. So they lost the lead and all their money has gone. And that's where conversion comes into play. So conversion basically means to turn your prospect who are coming to your website or who's coming to your page to a paying customer. There's a whole funnel going on. This is why we call it funnel. And this is basically a journey to convert prospect to client. Client is a paying customer, okay? How we do that? And now the modern way, this micro personal brand can be used excellently for this purpose of conversion. Because just think of yourself, uh, how many of the products or services, whatever you are buying, are because of the YouTube or YouTube videos that or the content you are watching or online. Just lot, because you and me myself, we are our behavior has changed, right? We are not watching TV, we are not watching some ads, and based on the ads we are buying. We are buying because of the influencers that we are seeing. We are buying because of the YouTubers that we are watching, and we are getting influenced, who has the authority to tell that this is good, and we are buying from them, right? And this is the power of micro personal brand. Content can best be used for conversion process. What is conversion? Is basically prospect to client. How you do that? Building trust. And how you build trust? When someone spends a lot of time with you, he has built some trust with you, right? And where the most of the people are spending their time nowadays, it's on social media, right? Social media. And if I say, the best platform is YouTube for that. YouTube, if you are making videos on YouTube and using it as a funnel part, not as a traffic part, your your, for example, how this is how this funnel works. You get the traffic from Facebook ads. The traffic comes to your page, any email opt-in page or something, right? You get the email or the lost lead who are not buying, either buying from you or not submitting their emails. They will be redirected to the YouTube page of yours, where you have some sort of value, you have some sort of content, and you are specifically in your content. You are specifically talking to your target audience. This The content on YouTube that you are putting on is very strategic content of the based on the research of the target audience that you are targeting. And if that content resonates with your target audience, if you crack that content thing right, you can have the you can have the conversion. You can build trust with your customers, and ultimately they will buy from you, right? So content is best for building trust and getting the prospects to pay you, actually, in that. And fulfillment part, there's a lot of fulfillment. Uh, there's a lot of chaos going on fulfillment. There are a lot of things to touch on in fulfillment process, because fulfillment in itself is a very big thing. It it uh, it has a lot of elements, like building a website, building not building a ecosystem, building a community, building some sort of course atmosphere ecosystem, right? Some delivery system, proper onboarding process, and a lot of things that I don't want to get in touch right now because I am focusing on traffic and funnel part right now. And funnel does not just means or conversion does not mean just content. It also requires you to what build landing pages, you know, and they need to have they need to have landing pages. They need to have their not website, some copywriting, and there are a lot of nuances going on that one single person cannot do. And most people are what they do is they hire someone for website creation. They hire someone for they don't even know about what landing pages. They just hire someone for their website, and website just don't convert, right? They don't know how to do it. They hire someone to run their Facebook ads, and a lot of people they hired, and all of their time is going in managing the team, which is a very bad thing for what for online coach, because online coach most of his time should be gone in fulfillment part, right? To deliver the promise that he has made to his clients, right? And the thing with funnel part, conversion part, and traffic part should be automated, should be completely outsourced without managing that big team and getting the chaos of managing all these people, because it is a hell chaos, right? You need, and that's where we come into play. We solve the problem of these people. I'm sorry, Mike. Okay. That's where we come to play. We are offering you all in one solution. Okay, this whole funnel that I have explained, we will apply this for you from scratch. And this is not just done for you, this is done with you. All the coaching you will get for free, that people are charging thousands of dollars, you will get the coaching for free. And you will only charge uh, for the actual application process that we are doing, right? So thank you. This is also what I'm doing is also for micro personal brand, and this is also for this because I want to talk about this thing that I'm thinking constantly, and I think it is a very good idea. It is the future of internet, micro personal brands. Thank you.